first step is to bring the foot spring and the head spring together at a 90-degree angle. As you can see, there is a joint located in the middle of the bed frame that needs to be connected by sliding the two components together. If you are having difficulty joining the two parts, a little kick will do the trick. Once you have joined the two parts together, open the bed up so that it creates a straight line and raise the head of the bed up. Next, use the spring links to connect the bed together. Once you have connected all 6 of the spring links, you can then position the high-low shaft. Slide it through the guide to ensure the high-low shaft is adjusted to the length of the bed. Once you have it in this position, you will then secure it by tightening the lock collar. The next step is attaching the motor. First, you will remove the locking caps. You will then slide the motor onto the head or foot first, and you will place it onto the actuator bar. In order to attach the motor to the second actuator bar, you need to raise or lower the head or foot of the bed. Once the motor is firmly attached, slide the locking caps back into place. At this point, you can lay the bed horizontally on the ground in order to attach the foot and headboard. Attach the foot and headboard by lifting it up and sliding the bed into the joint shown here. Once the headboard is attached to the bed, you will need to attach the high-low shaft to the crankshaft located here. Attach the other end of the high-low shaft to the footboard.